guys, today's video is going to be my December Boxycharm unboxing. I'm filming this video on the 12th of the month. I got my box late. I don't know what happened this month. I usually get it like the first couple days of the month. I contacted them and I said, hey, I haven't got my box yet. You know, I was totally understanding. I was like, oh, I bet there's shipping issues, but I don't know. I guess they just forgot about me this month. I don't know. If you guys don't know, I've been getting Boxycharm for over 6 years now. So it was very unusual for my box not to be here. Theme for this month is bubbles and glitz. Ooh. I got variation at number 59. First thing in the box is from Visart. This is the Seamless Eye Primer. It retails for $24. It works with all eyeshadows to create crease-free and vibrant wear. Actually, I do have an eyeshadow. What do I have for an eyeshadow primer? I don't. I don't have an eyeshadow primer. I think that's what it looks like. I don't really wear, I'm wearing eyeshadow today, but I don't really wear eyeshadow too often, but I'm glad that I got a primer now. Next thing in the box is from Elemis. This is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. Ooh, this retails for $49. Says reveal a soft, lit from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. The lightweight multi-use moisturizer leaves skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. Ooh, yo. Let's see. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, just a little bit. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like Lush. Ooh, that smells really good. Oh yeah, you can totally say, ooh. Okay, so this is like multi-use, yes. Glow Priming Moisturizer. My skin is like so freaking dull right now. So I'm actually really excited for this. Next thing in the box is from Ofra. This is the banana powder. Pressed banana powder retails for $35. It's an innovative matte powder. It's lightly banana scented. Are all banana powders banana scented? Use it to conceal dark under eye circles. Really? Set concealer and foundation highlighter, even used as a matte eyeshadow. I don't think this is gonna conceal my dark circles. I don't think it's a miracle worker. But oh man, yeah, you know. There it is. I've had many banana powders over the years, but I currently do not have one. I did a big makeup purge recently, like over the summer, so I got rid of like simple things like banana powders and eyeshadow primers. Next thing in the box is a brush set from Luxie Brushes. This is the Iconic set. Retails for $45. And it just has how many brushes? 5 brushes in here. I believe I've gotten these before. I have so many friggin' brushes, you guys. But yeah, I will definitely use these, you know, because it's always good to have a shit ton of brushes. Guys, this smells really, really good. I'm really excited for this. Okay, last thing in the box is a palette from Artist Couture. This is the Caliente palette. This retails for $30. It says turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. I'm like hyping this baby up. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, and colorful looks. Transform your eyes with this versatile, glow-getter approved palette. Oh boy, those are bright ass colors. Yes. I kind of like that they're sending this type of palette right when winter's about to happen, you know, right when winter and it's like bland and gloomy, and they're like, no, let's be bright and bold, and yes, I kind of like that. How many of these colors will I actually use? The bright yellow and orange, probably not like these two, but you know, these guys, maybe not that one, but these guys, yes. Okay, so that's everything that is in my December Boxycharm. This palette, yes, I like this like ray of sunshiny brightness at a gloomy time. I like that. Definitely excited for this banana powder. I'm gonna see if I can conceal my dark under eye circles. I don't think it'll happen, but we'll see. Yes, totally excited for this Elemis moisturizer. Guys, it smells really good. I don't know what it smells like. It just smells very clean. Yes, I'm really excited for that. I need to keep you out so I can see you and remember to use you. Eyeshadow primer, like I said, I don't have one at the moment, so I'm excited. I got an eyeshadow primer. What else? Oh, the brushes. You can never have too many brushes. You know, if you're feeling lazy and you don't want to clean all your brushes, you can just keep using your brushes. But then it sucks because then all your brushes get dirty and it takes you like 3 hours to wash your brushes. I've done that before. Does anyone spot clean their brushes? How many of you guys spot clean your brushes? I want to know. Comment down below and let me know if you spot clean your brushes or if you just wait until they're all dirty and just clean them like a deep clean. Comment down below and let me know. I feel like I should start spot cleaning because again, spending like 3 hours cleaning your brushes ain't fun. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.